My name is Vipul. I have recently completed the 15 days LMS OJT program from eVision TechnoServe, and it has been truly valuable learning experience. The course was very well structured and covered all important topics in a clear and organized manner. Even for beginner like me, the record sessions were especially helpful as they allowed me to learn at my own pace, revisit the content whenever required, and revise important concepts easily. The trainer were highly knowledgeable and experienced every type topic using real-time industry example, which helped me to understand how things actually work in IT industry. The program maintained a perfect balance between theory and practical exposure, which significantly boosted my confidence. I have recently joined iSource Infosystem, and this training played a very important role strengthening my technical skills and fundamental knowledge. It has helped me prepare tackle real world challenge effectively. I would like to sincerely thank you eVision TechnoServe, the trainer and the entire technical team for continuous support and guidance. Once again, thank you for providing such a wonderful learning opportunity. Thank you.